YouTube, this is Andrea here. We are off to a whole new mini album page. This is our 8x8 mini album using Flutter by Graphic 45. What you're going to need for this page is a 7 9/16 by 3 11/16 flip, and you're going to score it at the top at a 1/2 inch. Then you're going to need a 7 3/4 by 3 3/8 flip, and you're going to score it at a 1/2 inch on the long side. Then you're going to need 7 by 9 9/16 by 4 3/4, and you're going to score it at a 1/2 inch on the short side. Okay, tongue twister. Let's go ahead and get started putting this together. You're going to start with your long piece first. Let's see here. Let's get our glue. I just used a little bit of the glue on the sticker. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. Make sure to carry this all the way up to the edge. Center it as best as you can. Then we're going to put on our side piece. It's going to go on the left hand side. Turn my paper. This is easier for me to do this way. You're going to center it as best as you can. Stay away from that score line. Give yourself about 1/8 of an inch away from that score line. Okay. Now you have your first flip and your second, and your third one's going to go on the right hand side. I'm going to take it all the way to the edge, making it flush. And cap my glue back off. Alright, so we have our first flip, our second flip, and our third flip. And that's what it should lay like when you're done. Okay. I'm going to put a magnet on here, and that'll close the whole thing, so I only need one set of magnets. Get some tape here. Put your magnet in about 1/2 of an inch away from the edge. Press that down and burnish it real good, just like so. And that's going to hold everything down. Wonderful. I did go ahead and get my paper ready. So let's start with our side piece here. I'm going to go with this beautiful red. Ooh, almost lost it. Careful, don't lose your paper. There we go. And we have the honeycomb red on the front. Okay. Now we have these two pieces here. I'm going to go with this floral. Remove my tape backing. This is a beautiful, beautiful floral. Let's put this under here. I want to be able to see my edges. There. Much better. That's beautiful. Now we have the inside, which is going to be this gorgeous periwinkle blue. So then I have my base paper is going to be the same as the front paper, which I think is such a gorgeous pattern. There we go. That's pretty. So far so good. Now let's work on our top flip. We're going to put this beautiful blue here. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Sticky, sticky. Then we have this one that says dance and glide. Perfect. So that's our page. I have a couple of things I want to do for this and for this. So let's get started. Okay. I have some stickers I want to use here. And I don't know if this one's going to be too big. No, it's perfect fit. Bravely she flies. That's beautiful. I like that. I want to put something at the bottom. How about be happy? Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, and then the front, maybe this one here. Be happy for this moment. This moment is your life. Yeah, I love that. I think that's going to be it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.